this is the exciting one. This is like, so,
Yes.
yeah, a bit of vitamin C.
Yeah, one of the most sought after questions on Google and skincare was about how my vitamin C works. And
Yeah.
we've got great technology now and information, and there are certain things that actually do make a difference and work on the skin. And vitamin C is one of them because it's a brilliant antioxidant. And I just want to explain the whole thing about oxidation in the skin. So I got a little apple,
Right.
and I cut it in half.
Okay. So is that oxidation when it goes brown?
That is it. That's oxidation when it goes brown. So the brown, the oxidation is from free radicals. Now this half, I squeeze with lemon juice.
Right.
Which is an oxidation. So that's protected it. It's slowed down. You can see it slowed down the browning process. It's quite different. Now, free radicals are toxic, unstable molecules that cause damage to the skin.
Right.
And they need pairing. They have electrons that need to be paired. But these molecules are scavengers because they don't have the right amount of electrons. So they have to come and get it from other molecules. And they steal an electron from the nearest stable molecule.
Which
and
is your skin.
Damage in our own skin and our cells. So then the attached molecules becomes unstable in a free radical itself, and this starts a whole chain reaction. And
this sounds terrifying. So,
so
we keep hearing terms like this, free radicals, but effectively a free radical is, am I right in saying that, okay, so free radicals have just attacked that apple. Yeah. Yeah.
Free radicals attack this apple.
Right, and that's what's made it brown. The lemon juice has stopped it.
Yeah.
So you need to be using products that are effectively like the lemon juice.
And a free radical is a molecule that's missing an electron.
Okay.
So it wants to take the electron from your molecules, and then it damages it, so then they don't work properly.
The little buggers.
The little buggers. The little buggers. So we've got to stop this process. And also, these free radicals are everywhere. They're part of our breathing process. They're part of cellular metabolism. They're in cigarette smoke, pollution, car pollution, UV light. Right. So it's coming from a lot of sources. Okay. So the amazing thing about vitamin C is it neutralizes this oxidation stress. Right. And vitamin C is the Zen master of the skincare because it goes, have my electron. It won't cause me a problem. Okay. So it gives the molecules the electron. Right. And it doesn't cause vitamin C a problem.
And therefore protects your skin.
Therefore, it's not breaking down your own skin molecules.
Right.
Not only that, but vitamin C is acidic. So it kickstarts your collagen and elastin, which is really healthy repairing for your skin. Yeah. So it helps plump out the skin. It brightens the skin. It helps break down pigmentation. Okay. And it's really good for, acne scarring and things like this. So it's such a good product to use, vitamin C. So it's protecting from the bad, scavenging molecules, the free radicals, and it's also making your own collagen and elastin kickstart. So it's a really good thing to use.
Oh, yeah. Bring on the vitamin C.
Process, free radicals, and exactly what's happening. Yeah. So bring on the vitamin C. So I'm going to show you what vitamin C I use in my skincare. Okay. So the first thing I'm going to and also our bodies don't make vitamin C, so we have to apply it topically or with have it in our diet. Yeah. So I always take one of these. It's a Vitabiotic vitamin C tablet. I take one a day, which is a good start. As well as getting it in my diet, I just want to make sure I've got plenty, especially in the winter. Now, one of my favourite vitamin C ranges, so you can get vitamin C in skincare, that's what we need to be looking for. But I just want to show you there's sort of additional ways vitamin C can work in skincare, so I want to show you some extra things. One of my favourite vitamin C ranges is Naturabisse, and they do really clever, it's called C+C range. Right. This is a micellar water with vitamin C. So I use this as my cleanser every night. Yeah. And it's very clever because the dirt from your skin and all the makeup clings onto the compad, but then it puts the vitamin C into your skin. So you're cleansing and adding vitamin C.
And adding vitamin C.
That's really clever. This is their sheer fluid, and this is absolutely gorgeous. It puts a little luminosity into the skin, and it's got SPF. Yeah. That's correct. Okay. You can see that. So what you use, is that like a moisturizer kind of thing? Or? A moisturizer, pop on in the day, and it gives you a slight little colour tint. So again, it's doing kind of 3 jobs in one. So there, C plus D, C, and it smells. Oh my God,
it's
beautiful.
nice.
I love citrus. I'm obsessed with citrus. It's gorgeous.
Someone's asking me, are vitamin C gummies any good? I mean, I presume they are. It's like,
yeah, I think the thing I found with gummies is sometimes they can be quite sugar loaded.
Right, okay.
So just watch out for the sort of sucrose sugar content in gummies. That's right. They all tend to have quite a lot of sugar in. I mean, they are nice and fun to take rather than a vitamin tablet, but often they're loaded with sugar.
They are loaded, right, okay. Sorry, my darling.
It's all right. This is Alginist, and this is a peel mask. Now, this is like a blue honey consistency, and you put it on damp skin for 20 minutes. Now, this has got rave reviews on QVC, Space NK, Feel Unique from genuine customer reviews.
Yeah.
Rave reviews saying it's really good for hyperpigmentation, which is a great, vitamin C is great for that.
So it's a peel mask, so you peel that off afterwards?
I think it just rinses off actually, but it is called a peel.
Right, okay.
And it is £80, but people are sort of saying it's worth the money. It's really good. So if you've got hyperpigmentation concerns, that might be worth a look at. Now, one I've found that I think you and Robert might like because it's quite chemist-like. We love pretending we're in a pharmacy. Yeah. Yeah, I'm like, ugh. So this is the Dr. C bag, and he's got these.
Look at that. Science.
Science. We're back. Come on, Robert, get on board. And these have vitamin C, and it's a powder, but it turns into like a paste cream when you put it on. Okay, yeah. And the good thing about that is perhaps you can just pinpoint if you've got pigmentation and you want extra work in an area.
All right, you can just do that.
So that's quite good.
Okay.
And this I want to show you is fantastic. It's from VitaClean. This is the box.
Right.
Which is biodegradable, by the way.
Is it?
Yeah, clever.
Yeah, very clever.
And it's a shower head.
A shower head.
You insert this vitamin C chamber into the shower head.
Incredible. I love that idea.
Isn't it genius?
That's brilliant.
And it's a standard size. I've tried it on my shower. It fits.
Yeah.
So the water comes through and you've got all the benefits of vitamin C, so you can wash your hair and your face. Yeah. It's got other really clever things in the head as well. And it also increases the water pressure, so it feels a lot faster and harder, but it's using actual less water. You have less water consumption, but more power.
That's amazing.
And these chambers are, I mean, this whole thing is $59.99. It's a good starter kit, so you've got it in the shower. But they also do these chambers in lemon. You can get it in rose, you can get it in lavender. I mean, you can like literally change one a month and you get the beautiful scent.
That's so nice. So would you use that almost like you'd have a shower and then you'd do like one last blast with that all over?
I think, you just get your whole shower in it.
Do you have your whole shower?
Yeah, it's on the shower. You're just showering it.
It's amazing. I love that idea. That's absolutely brilliant.
Get a rose one as well. That sounds amazing.
Yeah.
And also, we always like to talk about good food, don't we, on our show? Don't forget you can get vitamin C from
the orange. Yes. Yeah. You know I'm addicted to satsumas.
Broccoli.
Yeah.
Spinach and peppers. So don't forget to get it in your diet as well.
Happy days, all good in the hood. That's amazing. I'm obsessed with that shower. That's absolutely genius. I've never even heard
shower head,
anything like that.
I love a gadget. I know, it's great, isn't it? It's very exciting.
It's brilliant.